Did you know your solar panels could lose up to 20% efficiency if they're not tilted correctly? That small detail, the tilt angle, can mean the difference between average savings and maximum solar power. The tilt angle is how many degrees your solar array is tilted from the ground toward the sun. In the US, most homeowners set their panels between 30 and 45 degrees. Solar cells absorb specific wavelengths of light, so they need to be angled for direct sunlight. Experts recommend setting solar panels perpendicular to the sun's rays for optimal efficiency. In Los Angeles, tilt your panels to about 34 degrees. In New York City, closer to 41 degrees. Seasonal changes matter too. Adjust your tilt angle for summer and winter. If you're outside the 30 to 45 degree latitude range, precise calculations are key. For maximum efficiency, align your solar panel tilt angle with the sun's equatorial position.